Speak version equals 1.0 XML lang equals ENUS. Voice name equals NUS Christopher Neural. Prosody rate equals -11%, pitch equals +0 Hz. Alright, so break time equals 450 ms /, so I tried this top 2025 Yamaha Xmax for a bit and hey race what I noticed. After using it for a while, it's one of those things you end up using often. Break time equals 450 ms /. First thing I noticed was the design. It kinda blends into any setup naturally. Now, emphasis level equals moderate, about /emphasis of the price. It's surprising. Break time equals 180 ms / thingly affordable. See you in the next one. /prosody /voice /speak